Let's learn our number pairs. Build your math fluency. These are number pairs that make 5. I can say my number pairs. Yes, I can. I can say my number pairs and use my hand. I know that 2 parts make a whole. Let's learn the number pairs of 5. Nice and slow. 5 and 0. 0 and 5. 4 and 1. 1 and 4. 3 and 2. 2 and 3. Those are the number pairs that make 5. A little faster. 5 and 0. 0 and 5. 4 and 1. 1 and 4. 3 and 2. 2 and 3. Those are the number pairs that make 5. A little faster. 5 and 0. 0 and 5. 4 and 1. 1 and 4. 3 and 2. 2 and 3. Those are the number pairs that make 5. I can say my number pairs. Yes, I can. I can say my number pairs and use my hands. I know that 2 parts make a whole. Learning my number pairs helps my brain grow.
abcmouse.com is so fun. There's Jack Cartman!
Kids Music Channel!
Let's learn our number pairs. Build your math fluency. These are number pairs that make 6. I can say my number pairs. Yes, I can. I can say my number pairs and use my hand. I know that 2 parts make a whole. Let's learn the number pairs of 6. Nice and slow. 6 and 0. 0 and 6. 5 and 1. 1 and 5. 4 and 2. 2 and 4. 3 and 3. 3 and 3. Those are the number pairs that make 6. A little faster. 6 and 0. 0 and 6. 5 and 1. 1 and 5. 4 and 2. 2 and 4. 3 and 3. 3 and 3. Those are the number pairs that make 6. A little faster. 6 and 0. 0 and 6. 5 and 1. 1 and 5. 4 and 2. 3 and 3. 3 and 3. Those are the number pairs that make 6. I can say my number pairs, yes I can. I can say my number pairs and use my hands. I know that 2 parts make a whole. Learning my number pairs helps my brain grow.
So boys and girls, you saw the video with Jack Hartman on how to do your number pairs. So let's try a few together, and then you could even put back the videos of Jack Hartman and you try it with him. Remember those animals I gave you? Well, I have some of mine here. I have the red ones and the yellow ones. And we're going to start with the number 5. The first easy way to do the number 5, I put all my reds. That makes 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You try it. All right. Now there's another way to do 5. We do 4. And 1. Now let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. Let's try another one. 3 and 2 make 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. 3 plus 2 make 5. Good job. Now let's switch it up. 2 plus 3 also make 5. 1 plus 4 make 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 makes 5. All right, let's try 6, boys and girls. Let's make 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 0 makes 6. Now let's switch it up. Let's start with the number 3. Let's put 3. 3 plus 3. What does that make, boys and girls? 6. 3 plus 3 make 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, let's take one out of here. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 2 make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You keep trying with the video and work on your numbers. All right, Lions. Now, after you did your number games on your, remember I gave you a little paper with the squares? Remember? I hope you got to do that. Keep practicing. Listen to the videos again and again. Now, here we're going to count and circle the number. Count the leaves and circle the number. On the back, our little friend the squirrel wants 15 acorns. 15. Now go slow, do it with a pencil and count, because it's very easy to make a mistake. So you could go 1, 2, 3, all the way to 15. My little bears are going to count and circle the number, count and circle the number. Then on the back, they're going to help the little honeybee get to her honey. And then we're going to read, Mr. Doodle had a poodle, because we've been talking about pets. And I love this book because this dog is just amazing. Mr. Doodle with his poodle. Mr. Doodle was trying to get his poodle to bark. Bark, but nope. The poodle would dance and hop and skip. She would even do a flip. But Mr. Doodle's poodle would not bark. She would jump rope. She would ski. This is an amazing doggy. Climb up into a tree, but Mr. Doodle's poodle would not bark. She would swim. She has a little bikini on. Isn't she cute? I love when she has a little bikini on. She would dive. She would count from 1 to 5. But Mr. Doodle's poodle would not bark. She would read books. Wow, that's an amazing dog. She would write. Yep, she liked to write too. She would fly a kite. We got to do that when we made our kites in Espanol. She would skate. She would drive. A poodle that drives. She would play the guitar, a big guitar, but Mr. Doodle's poodle couldn't bark. It's pretty easy. I don't understand why she can't do that. She would cut the grass and rake all those leaves. What a good helper. I'd rather have her do that than bark. She would even bake a cake, but she wouldn't bark. No. She would sing a song, happy birthday to you. She would even play ping pong, but Mr. Doodle's poodle would not bark. Then, one evening on a walk, she met a cat. The cat said, meow, and guess what Mr. Doodle's poodle did? And scared the poor little cat in the tree. But guess what? Mr. Doodle's poodle can now bark. She could also dance, jump rope, flip, ski, climb a ladder to a tree, swim, juggle, fly a kite, skate, read, bake a cake. Now you make up more funny things that silly poodles might do. So now we are going to talk about where we take our pet when they're sick. All right? Now find the pet at the vet. You see any pets? You've got a dog, circle it. Found a fish. What else? Hamster or a guinea pig. It's a little bigger. I think it's a guinea pig. A cat. And a parrot at the vet. Now look in here, little bears. You have to match the pet with the owner. There's something about them that makes you know that that's their pet. What other animal is wearing a silly hat like this? That one. So you make a line from that one to that one. Does any of them have a bell like she does? Look and see. This one has a bell. You can match the rest yourself. Look at what he's wearing. Who's wearing the same thing? Look at what she's wearing. Who's wearing the same thing?